Are you on your company's marketing team? Well, let me show you how you can use Jotform AI. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you are on the marketing team for your company, you can absolutely use Jotform AI and Form Copilot to help you create, build, and even edit forms. So as you can see, I'm currently in my workspace, and for this example, I want to create multiple forms at once. So I'm going to utilize Poto. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to go ahead and ask Poto anything. Now, if you want, you can easily type things in, but I'm going to go ahead and choose voice.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I am on the marketing team with my company and I need to create 4 different forms. Can you help me with that?
Okay, I'm still looking into that for you. Okay, I can create all 4 forms. Just tell me what each one is for and what kind of questions or fields you want on them.
So first I need a lead capture form. Second, I need a campaign landing form. And then I need 2 forms that are customer surveys.
Okay, a lead capture form, a campaign landing form, and 2 customer surveys. I'm getting those set up for you now.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm getting one of those forms started for you now. You're all set with your first marketing lead form, Kimberly. I can also create the campaign landing and 2 survey forms, then show you how to find and edit them.
Perfect, thank you.
Okay, I'm matching that up for you. Great! Your main lead capture form is done. I can finish the landing page and surveys next. Should I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Okay, finishing up the landing page and surveys now. Bear with me, I'm getting your new form going. I'm still with you while I sort that out. Hang on, I'm still with you. All 4 forms are ready in your account. Lead capture, campaign landing, quick survey, and detailed insight survey. You can open any to edit. Let me know which one to tweak first, and I'll help with specific changes.
Perfect, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and X out, and I am going to do a quick refresh. And right now it looks like it's on last response, so I'm going to change this to creation date. Perfect. So we have the campaign landing form, we have the post-campaign satisfaction survey, and then we have 2 customer insight surveys. So let's go ahead and look at this survey right here. All right, how did you first engage? What motivates you to engage? Which communication channels do you prefer? How likely are you to recommend? And then any additional comments or suggestions. Perfect. So from here, you can do a lot of different things. We can do conditional logic. So if you want to hide or show a question based on how they respond, you can do that. Let's go ahead and change some design aspects.
Hi, Kimberly. I'm Podo, an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make some design changes. Can we make the page background blue and the submit button orange?
Oh, hello. Yeah, I can help with that. Let me adjust the page background to blue and the submit button to orange for you. All set with the blue background and orange submit button. Want to change anything else?
Yes, for the question that says, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? Can we make that a scale of 0 to 5?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I can adjust that question to be a scale of 0 to 5 for you. Done. The scale now goes from 0 to 5.
Perfect. On the question...
Happy to help. Is there
Yes, on the question that says, which communication channels do you prefer? Instead of SMS, can you change that to text message?
Yeah, I can change that for you. Swapping SMS for text message now. Done. I changed SMS to text message in that question.
Okay, so you can see how easy it is to go through and you can make very simple changes to your forms that were created. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the satisfaction survey. Perfect. We have some star ratings and then a long text box. Let's look at our landing form. Perfect. And let's take a look at preview form. Good deal. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use Jotform AI or Form Copilot to help you build out all of your marketing forms, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.